To take the photos. It's so cute how they all go out. It's trying so hard to get out. I'm gonna start crying. This is so sad. It's different when it's on National Geographic. Get it. She's like, hold up, I got this. Oh, she's telling him to go there.
Mom, when elephants start,
shh, it's almost out. Come on, don't slip. Oh, no, no, no. Oh.